To our channel Biswanka's Math Exclusive. It's my part 8 video on Laplace. So today I start inverse Laplace transform. If Laplace of ft equals to capital Fp, then small ft is equal to Laplace inverse of capital Fp is the inverse Laplace transform of ft. Now start example. Find Laplace inverse of p minus 7 by p square plus 6p plus 17 equals to L inverse p minus 7 by p plus 3 whole square plus 8. We write this into this type for our easy calculation. Equals to e to the power minus 3t Laplace inverse of p minus 10 by p square plus 8 equals to e to the power minus 3t Laplace inverse of p by p square plus 8 minus 10 by 2 root 2 Laplace inverse of 2 root 2 by p square plus 8 equals to e to the power minus 3t cos 2 root 2t plus 5 by 2 root 2 sin 2 root 2 t. This is our answer. Now next example. I hope my video is helpful for you. If it is, then please like and share with your friends and classmates and also subscribe our channel. Now next example. Find Laplace inverse of p square minus 2 by p minus 1 whole to the power 4 equals to Laplace inverse of p square minus 1 minus 1. We write minus 2 in this form minus 1 by p minus 1 whole to the power 4 equals to Laplace inverse of p minus 1 p plus 1 minus 1 by p minus 1 whole to the power 4 equals to Laplace inverse of p plus 1 by p minus 1 whole to the power cube minus Laplace inverse of 1 by p minus 1 whole to the power 4 equals to e to the power t Laplace inverse of p plus 2 by p cube minus e to the power t Laplace inverse of 1 by p to the power 4 equals to e to the power t Laplace inverse of 1 by p square plus twice e to the power t Laplace inverse of 1 by p cube minus e to the power t Laplace inverse of 1 by p to the power 4. Then we solve, get e to the power t into t to the power 1 by gamma 2 plus twice e to the power t into t square by gamma 3 minus e to the power t cube by gamma 4 equals to e to the power t by 1 plus t square minus t cube by 6. This is our answer. Now next example. Find Laplace inverse of ln p square plus 1 by p into p plus 1. Now let capital Fp equals to ln p square plus 1 by p into p plus 1 equals to ln p square plus 1 minus ln p minus ln p plus 1. Now f dash p equals to twice p by p square plus 1 minus 1 by p minus 1 by p plus 1. We know the formula. Applying the formula, we get minus 1 whole to the power 1 Laplace of t ft equals to twice p by p square plus 1 minus 1 by p minus 1 by p plus 1. This formula we discussed in our previous video. For better understanding, see my previous video. Now next step, minus t into ft equals to Laplace inverse of twice p by p square plus 1 minus Laplace inverse of 1 by p minus Laplace inverse of 1 by p plus 1, or minus t ft equals to twice cos t minus 1 minus e to the power minus t equals to minus t Laplace inverse of capital Fp equals to twice cos t minus 1 minus e to the power t. So Laplace inverse of capital Fp equals to 1 by t e to the power minus t by t and minus twice cos t by t. So I get this answer in this way, that Laplace inverse of ln p square plus 1 by p into p plus 1 equals to 1 by t 1 plus e to the power minus t minus twice cos t. This is our answer. Now next example, Laplace inverse of tan inverse 2 by p equals to 1 by t sin 2t. We have to prove this equals to this. Now let capital Fp equals to tan inverse 2 by p. Then f dash p equals to minus 2 by p square plus 4. Again applying the formula, we get minus 1 whole to the power 1 Laplace of t ft equals to minus 2 by p square plus 4. So Laplace of t ft equals to 2 by p square plus 4. Then t ft equals to Laplace inverse of 2 by p square plus 4 equals to sin 2t. Then ft equals to 1 by 2 sin t, 1 by 2 sin 2t. Then Laplace inverse of tan inverse 2p 2 by p equals to 1 by t sin 2t. Next, change of scale of property. If Laplace inverse ft equals to ft, then L inverse f ap equals to 1 by a f t by a. Inverse Laplace transform of derivatives. If Laplace inverse of fp equals to ft, then L inverse f to the power n p equals to L inverse dn by dp n fp equals to minus 1 whole to the power n t to the power n ft, where n is equal to 1, 2, dot dot. This formula is used to solve this type of inverse Laplace transform. Now next example, Laplace inverse of p by p square plus s square whole to the power square. We have Laplace inverse of 1 by p square plus s square equals to 1 by a sin a t. That is Laplace inverse of d by dp 1 by p square plus s square equals to minus 1 by minus 1 whole to the power 1 tft. Then Laplace inverse of minus 2p by p square plus s square whole to the power square equals to minus t by a sin a t. Then Laplace inverse of p by p square plus s square whole square equals to t by twice a sin a t. This is our answer. Now inverse transform of integral. If Laplace inverse fp equals to ft, then Laplace inverse of integration p to infinity fx dx equals to ft by t. Multiplication by powers of p. If Laplace inverse fp equals to ft and f0 equals to 0, then Laplace inverse of p fp equals to f dash t. And Laplace inverse of p to the power n fp equals to f to the power nt if f0 equals to 0. Next, division by powers of p. If ft is piecewise continuous and of exponential order of e to the power at t tends to infinity and limit t tends to 0 ft by t exists, then for p greater than a, Laplace inverse of fp by p equals to integration 0 to t fx dx. Next, convolution definition. Let fx and gx be two functions of class A, then the convolution of two functions ft and gt denoted by f star g is defined by the relation f star g equals to integration 0 to t fx g t minus x dx or f t minus x gx dx in the integration 0 to t. Next, convolution theorem. Let ft and gt be two functions of class A and let Laplace inverse of fp equals to ft and Laplace inverse of gp equals to gt, then Laplace inverse of fp gp equals to integration 0 to t fx into g t minus x dx equals to integration 0 to t f t minus x gx dx. This is the convolution theorem. So here is my topic is end. Next day I upload another video on this inverse Laplace transform. If you find my video is helpful for you, please like and share with your friends and please subscribe our channel. Thank you.